Deputy President David Mabuza, in his capacity as chairperson of the SA National Council, AIDS Council, is this morning leading a government program to commemorate this World AIDS Day in Bloemfontein. In the northwest, Premier Bushy Maape is leading the commemoration event there. Our reporters, Tumaole and Refiloe Seboko, are in Bloemfontein and Mahikeng, respectively. Refiloe, let's begin with you this morning. And, you know, it's going to be difficult for what's unfolding within the African National Congress. It's been called the biggest constitutional crisis we've faced, given what's unfolding insofar as President Cyril Ramaphosa is concerned. Hopefully that doesn't overshadow what is also an incredibly important issue in our country, being the country with the biggest AIDS prevalence in the world.
Well, definitely, Michelle, and that discussion will be happening as we are marking the World AIDS Day, also in the Northwest Province, and maybe in the Northwest Province, Louis King, and the fact that the Dr. Kenneth Kaunda, together with the Bojanala districts, are the ones that are said to be the hotspot of infections when it comes to HIV and AIDS. And those discussions will be also revolving around a treatment and also eradicating the stigma that comes with those that are saying that they are infected with HIV and AIDS, are saying that they are facing challenges that comes with being rejected by the society, being discriminated by the society, the stigma that they are just living with on a day-to-day basis. Now, this is why we'll be seeing that the MEC of Health in the Northwest Province, Madoda Sambata, will be joining this commemoration accompanying Premier Bushy Maape, and Madoda Sambata will be making an update on communities, on the developmental interventions and the programs, the progress that is being made in fighting HIV and STI and AIDS in the Northwest Province. But also, we're going to see discussions by those who are saying immediately when one disclose their HIV status, there seems to be a conclusion that it's as a result of one having had multiple sexual partners. But some are saying that's actually not the case, and that's why they are faced with the stigma and being discriminated by the society. Some are saying that these infections are coming with one being born with the infection, the mother-to-child infection. Some are saying it's as a result of having been in a public transport accident, and because of those that were injured during that, there seems to be infections indirectly being infected by the virus. And they're saying this is why it's important that there needs to be discussions that are focusing on the stigma that is still around people who are HIV positive.
Obviously, we're going to get a perspective from the Northwest as well. What is the particular challenges insofar as HIV and AIDS is concerned in that province? Refiloe Seboko, thanks very much indeed. Tumaole will touch base with you a little later on. He's covering the Bloemfontein leg of the event.